Up here is where we live. It's where we earn your trust. And it's where we are introducing the new Werner R3 Concrete Anchor. The R3 Concrete Anchor, rapid, rigid, and reusable, installs in seconds and lasts a lifetime. The R3 is the premier design for horizontal, vertical, or overhead fall protection applications. Simple and secure removal with a quick release button. A rigid stainless steel tri-wedge design and diamond-hard coating provides incredible durability and corrosion-resistant performance in harsh environments. Unlike traditional designs, the Werner R3 never requires a tool for removal. Cycle-tested up to 5,000 uses and beyond, the Werner R3 is designed to work for years in the toughest conditions. Omnidirectional D-ring that swivels and hinges in any direction to mitigate connector rollout. The Werner R3 Concrete Anchor, the ultimate design in concrete anchors from Werner Fall Protection. The company born from a passion to keep workers safe when they leave the ground.